Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, infinitive phrase, is going to be explained in detail, but, if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as: an infinitive phrase is a group of words that begins with an infinitive verb and includes any modifiers or complements. What does it mean? Simply, it means that an infinitive phrase is a group of words that start with infinitive verb. As you know, infinitive verb refers to a base verb with to, like, to eat, to go, to enjoy, etc. If you want to identify infinitive phrase, then keep in mind these points. The first point is: an infinitive phrase is a group of words. Simply, it means that an infinitive phrase will be more than one word. It will consist of many words. And the second point is, it starts with an infinitive verb. Simply, as we have said about infinitive verbs, so, an infinitive phrase will always start with an infinitive verb, so, that is why it is called an infinitive phrase. The next point is: it will function as a noun, adjective, and an adverb. In other words, you can say that an infinitive phrase will either function as a noun, adjective, or an adverb in a sentence. Well, keep in mind these points because I'm going to give you some examples, then you will understand it. For example, to eat an apple is good for your health. Look at this example. The group of words, to eat an apple, is an infinitive phrase. But the question is, how? Actually, as we have mentioned some of the points, the first point was that an infinitive phrase must be more than one word. So, you can see it a group of words. The next point was that it must start with an infinitive verb. So, you can also see that it starts with the infinitive verb, to eat. And the last point was, it would work as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. So, in this case, to eat an apple is functioning as a noun here. And, as a noun can be the subject of a sentence, so, this infinitive phrase is the subject of this sentence. The next example is: the dog ran to fetch the ball. Observe this example. The group of words, to fetch the ball, is infinitive phrase. But, how? Because, it is a group of words. It starts with an infinitive verb, and, it functions as an adverb here. You might be wondering that how it is working as an adverb. Let me ask you a simple question. Why did the dog run? The answer is, to fetch the ball. So, you can see it modifies the verb, run. As a normal adverb modifies a verb, so, this group of words also does the same job, so, that is why it is functioning as an adverb in this sentence. The place to visit with friends is the Eiffel Tower. Look at this example. The group of words, to visit with friends, is an infinitive phrase. Actually, it is a group of words and, secondly, it starts with an infinitive verb, thirdly, it functions here as an adjective. Because, it gives us more information about the place. So, it modifies the place, that is why it is an adjective here. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.